So the pump sets that we talked about earlier that's installed on our new SPD Infinity series are able to incorporate with our FX3 controls. We can see the current vacuum levels that are running. We have the ability to see the current speed of the motors. We can also see the operational conditions such as oil change requirements, filter maintenance requirements, also at our FX3 controls. And in addition to that, we are able to set up and control the speeds that we need for each application, for each station at this control system. Additional features is a material usage ability. We can assign a throughput capability of a material source, and when each station assigns to it, we can see how much of that material is being used to make sure that we don't overtax the drying system. So this is a nice combination of material handling with drying. One of the other additional features of our new FX3 series is the ability to relay out the stations based on the physical layout that may be in your plant. In addition to the FX3 being a material handling controller, it has the ability to remotely monitor silos, rail cars. In addition, it can control and view blenders, dryers, other equipment that are in your plant.